Hey guys, let's see how to change the iPhone passcode. You just need to come here to settings, and here just scroll down until you see this option here for Face ID and passcode. And here you can just change it, right? You just need to enter your old passcode. There we go. Then you just come down until you find the option Change Passcode. Tap on it. In here, you just need to enter the current passcode. There we go. And then you enter the new passcode. It says that this passcode can be easily guessed. You just use anyway. And you just need to verify your new passcode. So I just entered it again. And just take a while. And it's going to take the new passcode. And there we go. Now you have your new passcode already working, right? So that's the way you can change your iPhone passcode. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.